Start.
We are going to unbox HSCo foldable platform weighing scale with USB port. We'll see what all we get in the box. We will get one USB port indicator, USB cord, and one foldable platform. I will show you how to install the platform. You have to put this pole up like this, and this grill you have to fix it like this, tight it like this, one supporter here, a protector here, one protector back side, then we have to take the indicator, two screws I have given here, we have to fix it here like this, then connector is here, this connector you have to fix it here like this, USB port here, fix it like this, like this you have to fix it. Done.